I'm Gerhard Schubert, the owner of Gerhard Schubert. We are located in Packaging Valley in Germany, where the best packaging builders in the world live. The story starts in 1959. I was 22 years old in this time, and I worked in a design office. I had a lot of ideas to build packaging machines in another way.
Schubert is so unique because he was the first one who solves packaging tasks with robots.
We can build machines for packing chocolate bars, packing bottles. We even built machines for packaging underwear.
The latest thing was a filling machine. We can fill
tubes.
The Schubert machines are built from standard components. The machines, what we build, they are built specially for the customer. That means we don't have the machine on stock. You get a problem and you have to solve the problem. I always was thinking, how can I build a packaging machine with a high flexibility? And then I get the idea that high flexibility can be made if you have simple mechanical parts, intelligent electronic controls, and the customized parts that are the tools exactly built to the product. And that is possible with SOLIDWORKS.
Schubert designs packaging machines by using 7 standard components. For example, our frame or the F2 loading robot. That's what makes us unique.
We are using SOLIDWORKS because it's intuitive to handle. You can build assemblies from 2 parts up to more than 10,000 parts.
And it's very important to handle such big assemblies because we have to look over the whole assembly at once. We have up to 95% of all parts that are in the machine on our computers. The configurations of SOLIDWORKS helps us a lot. It's a small frame and we can easily switch it over to another size. Now you can see the carrier systems are a little bit too small. Now we can look to the robot. It needs a bigger carrier, another size, and now it fixed.
The tools we design depends on the product we have to pack. SOLIDWORKS helps us to display how close the robots come together. So I can move the robots in the machine. I can simulate step by step how the machine have to work.
Usually we have to build a machine in less than 6 weeks, and because of this it's very important for us that we can do our work very quick. SOLIDWORKS API functionality gives us the ability to have some programs which are designing these assemblies all by themselves and automatically. And so you can imagine that we have to build a lot of these assemblies. This saves us up to 5 hours time each assembly. And it's all running by itself.
We like to solve problems. If you have ideas in your head, you need a tool to bring the ideas to paper. I was the first employee in my company who works with SOLIDWORKS. Normally, I think a product in 3 or 4 years it's changed. And if the product changes, normally you have to change the packaging machine. If you have a Schubert machine, you just change the toolings to the new product. You can still use the old packaging machine. Schubert packaging machines normally have a lifetime of 40 years. For me, that's beautiful.